You want? Okay, this song is dedicated to my party sisters, or my party brothers and sisters in the struggle, or the single woman, single ladies, and it goes something like this. My name is Biggie Scott, everyone, and I hope you like the song. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come on. Let me see you smile. Always love the child. I've raised a child on my own. If I form my prayer to smile. So whatever you do, always love the child. I've raised a child on my own. Always trust your kids, never regret having kids. 50 years can be hoping the Lord make sure many blessings. I raised a child on my own. My love for my kid will be loving, caring, supporting, and will be for everlasting. So many kids I see quiet beside the street because we isolated or neglected or something to hold a secret. No one seeks to care, no one seeks to know. The kids' days are still wanted for being tortured. When will you seek to understand kids in the future for this generation? No one help to reach kids that have been abusing the nation. But is it just me, or is how the world was meant to be? I'm going to seek to make a difference for these kids to live in Bohemia. Your kids are a gift from God, so I can feel your kids' hearts. What love do you love? And at the end of the day, show your kids to see that their life is worth living. Direct your kids to believe. Let me see you smile. Always love a child. I raise a child on my own. As I form my child to smile. So whatever you do, always love a child. I raise a child on my own. Come on. What's the meaning of love? These are for sex and deceive. I used to use the word love to fulfill my own need. I was born of greed, and again, everybody has greed. But tell me what them men achieve if I let it get into kids. But tell me the way, if you experience my pain, I see these keep all their lies and cry down in the drain. But tell me who do I blame? But tell me how can I explain the blame is praying for us kids or putting our names to shame. Sometimes it can be us that never learn from mistakes. Through my eyes today, there has to be a final answer rate. Someone said a man today, we're bringing in some kids. What don't you let happy hand to treat your love of kids? So when the sky turns gray, pours with rain, baby, I promise to be the sunshine, drying after the rain. Let me see you smile. We out. It's enough.